Oh, boom, what's up everyone, welcome back. So yes, we are actually going on a shootout video. Actually, I'm not gonna go for any crazy vlog or something. It's just that a group of riders, we are just gonna go take a cool photo shoot of our motorcycles. That's all that we are planning on doing today. Nothing major. I'm sorry, this is the stupidest thing that I'm gonna do. Yeah, let's go. So the thing is, I have to go to Outer Ring Road. There is this coffee shop where we are all gonna meet. I hope we have some good motorcycles that we can see today, and if that's the case, then I'll probably try to show you guys all the vehicles that come today. Or maybe if we can get a nice intro shot for our YouTube video, then booyah, maybe I can try something like I'm K. So that'll work out. Let's see. The guy in the car is looking at me like a complete freak show. I don't even understand why. It's maybe because I'm vlogging. People look at me. The weirdest thing that I've ever seen is that when I was vlogging, sorry, not vlogging, when I had the GoPro and I was trying out all the settings, when I think a few months ago, at that time when I see people looking at me, they're like, I saw these two grandpas on the scooter. They were like, "Thambi periya YouTuber irupam bole," which basically means that they thought that I'm a huge big YouTuber, and I was like, "Tata, no, Tata means grandpa. No, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just trying out some profiles." Oh, what is that? What is that? That's bad. No. The non-confident turns which I ever take with this motorcycle. Okay, I'm a bit confident today, but I don't want to screw up a turn, and there's a lot of traffic. Oh, there are no cops here today, which means it's time for a flyby. No flyby. Oh, no flybys today. Too much traffic. The problem is it's 4 o'clock and I was coughing a lot in that smoke when I caught up. Now this time around you'll have a lot of traffic, so nothing can be done basically. It's just cruising, that's it. I have to figure out where the Rolex coffee shop is. 3:30 I should have been there. It's getting a little delayed. Hopefully I'll be there in time. I'll catch you up when I see the motorcycles, because I just have one battery. This dude is trying to race me for the past 5 minutes. And we go bye-bye. Wait and watch. I'm slowing down. He'll be coming back. See, he's literally on my tail. He's literally on my tail. He can overtake me anytime right now. He's back on his classic 350. Also 80 is his cruising speed. Let me slow down a little bit. And then voila, he'll go past me. Yep. He's calming down because I turned the camera on. I don't want to race him. So yes, this is one of the bikes which is coming today. We might get a chance to take a photo here. I'll try asking. Maybe I can get a good photo. And voila, these are all the lineups, and we are still waiting for the camera car. Yep, it's the BMW S1000rr M package, I guess the Pro variant. That dude's got expansion chamber on his RX 135. Oh, it's closed, mate. It's closed. It can go, a bike can go in. Okay, that is gonna be a little constraining for us, but still we can go in. Oh, come this side. It's a little bit more constraining for us. Well, this is a lot of constraints for us. The S1000rr is struggling. Voila, yes. Where do we get a good photo shoot in this area, mate? This is some shitty old, crappy old place, mate. It's a Truckers Bay area. This is a good spot, right? Yep. So yes, we are actually shooting a rollout, and I am with an RC390 which is on my tail, which we are also shooting rolling shots. So yes, let's go. That is some rollout. Where's the RC? RC can come for the shot. Yep. Okay, we're running, guys, and to avoid traffic, that has to be done. Yes, indeed. So yes, the shoot is finally over and I am heading home. So the S1000rr left, the Adventure 390 left, everything left, and now it's my tour. Oh, it was showing 2 points of fuel. It just got over. That's interesting. I hate the fact that this road is full of cow dung everywhere. I just don't want to go on a cow dung and, you know, get it splattered all over my back. That's something that I hate. Who likes it, actually? Everyone hates it. Yep, I have to take an U-turn here and then I have to hit it hard. I hope. Oh, there are so many cows in this route. I hate cows. One, they are scary, they are unpredictable. You'll never know when they will jump in, and you'll also never know. Oh, sorry, I actually have to go up. I am on my way to home. We took a U-turn. I have to go up. I forgot I left it. Shoot. I know you guys can't see anything right now. It's completely dark outside. Even I don't want to hit a dog or something. It's completely dark. It's pitch dark. I hope my mom doesn't scold me after going home for this. I should have gone up. Oh, where did I let the loose lane? Oh yeah, I guess there is an... Oh yeah, I can go up over here. I hope there are no tolls this side. I hope this is the way home, actually, to be honest. I don't even know. I'm just going blindly. Nope, this is the wrong route. 100% wrong route, because the toll is there. I have to take a U-turn. I missed the U-turn over there. Yep, I was smart, I was dumb for a second. Okay, no problem. It's just a ride back home. No ride is a bad ride until it ends up with an accident. Let's take it slow, let's take it safe. Going home is the thing. There's one thing. When I swap the battery, the check engine light comes on and it is gone now. Miracle? Yep. Woo! It's a Kawasaki, bro. It got fixed. Huh. And I have to service this bad boy. It's been a while of not servicing him, so I have to service him. Hopefully I find time for that someday, or before that if she goes out from my house. It's a cool one. Someone will be happy with her. There's an R15 going on. Wait. People coming through. I don't want to crash this bike, but I actually like this bike. Starting to like this bike actually, but I've had enough fun with it. It's not an enjoyable motorcycle which you can rough use it. You have to use it much more precise and carefully. Yep. Oh, yep. It's a good bike for touring though, but the engine, that is good. The motorcycle geometry, this bike sucks, mate. After sitting on the S1000rr, this bike feels unbalanced. It's like a Royal Enfield. You going from a KTM to a Royal Enfield to a KTM, that's how it feels. This is a Royal Enfield now, and the S1000rr feels like a KTM. It's so small, it's so light. It's a bigger bike than this. I'm not saying it's a smaller bike. It is a bigger bike, but It is more comfortable. It is light. It is so lightweight. It's so nimble. The handling, the build quality, oh my god, it's amazing. It's top notch. I guess I'm getting followed by a cop. Or I hope it's some idiot with his police lights. I hope so. I guess it's an idiot with police lights. When will Poondamalli come here? It feels like I'm going forever. Okay, I'll catch you up. Someone's flashing lights behind me. Matic in the GoPro because it's the amount of light it lets in is very low. So when it lets very low light in, it's more cinematic. I can use it for reels also. I just don't want to use it for the video on the YouTube. I know this is going to be another stupid vlog which has no content in it. I hope you guys like it. I'm just learning the YouTube algorithm and I'm posting stupid content right now, but everything will be streamlined soon. I hopefully, if I stay consistent in YouTube, it will get streamlined. And I'm not like this guy who's gonna post weekly ones regularly. I don't know, maybe I should follow it. Let's see. The first vlog was just a trial vlog. This is a second vlog. This is a photo shoot vlog with Superbikes. Hopefully you guys like the S1000rr. Maybe next time if I get a chance I'll post a video in which I ride it. Today I forgot to record it. The only gear which I am wearing today is riding gloves from A-Star and my riding boots. Pretty much it. Nothing more than that. Yep. That's it guys. Hopefully you guys like the vlog. I'll reach home a little late today, but it's fine. It was a good vlog with new people, meeting new people. I like it. Hopefully you guys catch it up on YouTube and you guys also like it. Maybe next time I'll post some more videos where we do morning rides. Saturday, Sunday I can't go, but still I'll try my best to go. Okay then, have a great week. Bye bye.